He believed his life was in danger as Mr. Melvin turned back towards him while holding a gun. There is no evidence to refute that belief.
The state attorney clearing an Orange County deputy in the deadly shooting of a man in the Florida Mall parking lot. Salaytis Melvin was shot and killed in August of 2020 as he ran away from the deputy. Melvin's family has been pushing for charges in the case. News 6's Amanda Castro spoke with them about the outcome they did not want to hear.
I just think she's a coward. She waited a year and almost 7 months to tell me she's not going to press charges.
Salaytis Melvin's parents, Michelin McKee and Ryan Finley, say the news is heartbreaking. Orange-Osceola State Attorney Monique Worrell announced she is not seeking charges against Orange County Sheriff's Corporal James Montiel. Montiel shot and killed the 22-year-old in August 2020 outside the Florida Mall as Melvin was running away.
Anybody that can sit there and watch that video in its entirety and don't feel something or don't think that he even deserves to be arrested and go through the motions.
Worrell says her team spent the past year conducting an extensive review of the case, saying she believes they couldn't prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Montiel committed a crime. She says evidence shows the deputy was in reasonable fear for his life and his actions were lawful.
Under Florida law, an officer who is engaged in the lawful execution of his duties is justified in using deadly force if he or she reasonably believes that using that force is necessary to prevent imminent death or great bodily harm to himself or another.
Attorney Carlos Haynes is representing Melvin's family. He believes prosecutors should have brought this case to trial, even if the state didn't feel like it could prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Montiel committed a crime.
I'm not saying that there would have been a conviction. I'm saying there's clearly enough to bring charges. It's not her job to say, oh, she's not the jury. Prosecutors are not the jury. Sometimes they think so, but they're not.
Haynes says while this wasn't the decision the family wanted, there is a silver lining. He says the federal lawsuit that they filed against the deputy in the sheriff's office can now move forward after delays while they were waiting for a decision on the criminal case. Reporting in Orange County, Amanda Castro, Getting Results, News 6.
The Orange County Sheriff released a statement tonight saying in part, quote, "We understand there is a heightened scrutiny in cases like these, but our deputies do not have the luxury to pore over or analyze a video hundreds of times or wait 449 days to make a life or death decision. They must act in the moment to protect themselves and others, and that's what our deputy did in this case."